If I were just getting started online today, this is what I would do. And this is what I recommend for any beginner out there who wants to make money online, but they have little to no money right now to get started. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a super simple, it's so simple, it sounds stupid, way to make money on the internet, even if you have little to no money to invest. You don't need to buy no inventory. You don't need to go out there and, deal with any technical headaches. Like, this is so easy. It's so simple that anybody can use the strategy and get some results. So if you guys want to learn this simple strategy for making money online, even if you have little to no money to invest, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And on that note, I'm just going to switch over to my computer and share the strategy with you guys step by step. Now, first things first, before we get into this video, for those of you guys who are tired of the information overload around starting your online business, making money online, and you're just feeling a bit overwhelmed or you're struggling to put all the components together yourself, then allow me to introduce you guys to the Funnelpire program. This is a platform where you actually get access to your own online business built for you in 7 days or less. I'm talking about, you have a website built for you. All the websites come preloaded with digital products, physical products, dropshipping products, affiliate products that you can start selling right away and generating income in a niche of your choice. So you're literally getting your online business built for you in 7 days or less. So literally the same time next week, you could have your online business built for you. And this website, guys, have the potential to generate you over 7 streams of income. So if you're someone out there who's been struggling to start your online business, you want to create passive income, you want to start a side hustle, you want something that can start making you money on the side on autopilot without trading your time for dollars, then head over to www.funnelpire.com, where you can actually learn more about the program and all the incredible tools and resources that you gain access to, okay? And on that note, let's dive right into today's video. So to get started with the strategy, the first thing that you are going to need, of course, is a product to sell. You cannot make money online if you're not offering a product or a service. It's impossible for you to make money online if you don't have anything to sell, okay? Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I need to go out there and, find a vendor, start buying a bunch of inventory in bulk, spending money that I've not got right now? The good news is you don't need to do all that, guys, okay? Because with this strategy, you don't have to go out there and buy a single piece of inventory in bulk. In fact, there's a ton of products out here, guys, that you can actually start selling without purchasing anything in bulk yourself. And the strategy is called affiliate marketing, okay? So this is basically a strategy where you find a company that already has a product that you are interested in selling, right? You partner up with them, you become an affiliate, and then every time somebody buys via your link, you earn a commission. This is a great way, guys, to get started online. It's also a great way to build your brand before you go on to buy a bunch of inventory. Okay, so one of the best platforms to find products to promote is none other than Amazon affiliates. So if you just go to your Google and just Google Amazon affiliates, it's going to bring you to the Amazon affiliate, website here. Just make sure that you have the right country selected here, of course. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and sign up. Now, this is free, so you don't have to pay for anything, which is super, super amazing. And for those of you guys who are not familiar with the Amazon Associates program, it's basically an affiliate marketing program that allows you, I'm talking creators, publishers, influencers, bloggers, to promote products that are already being sold on Amazon, right? And then every time somebody buys via your link, you earn a commission. And the beauty about Amazon is the fact that it is already a worldwide trusted brand. So it's not one of those unknown websites that you're trying to sell a product and people are like, I'm a bit skeptical, I don't know about this company. A majority of us in society now shop on Amazon. We have our credit card information stored within Amazon. So if you are recommending a product that is already being sold on this Amazon platform, it's going to be very easy for you to convert that into a sale, because Amazon is not a strange website. It is a well-known, reputable website that a lot of people already know, like, and trust. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just sign up for your free account. Now, if you already have a personal Amazon account, you can just log into your Amazon account as normal, and then that's going to take you through the few steps to complete your Amazon affiliate account. Now, in order to do this, you are going to need a blog or a platform, I would say social media platforms. For those of you guys who don't have blogs or website, you can use like an Instagram account, a TikTok account, a Twitter account, or even a YouTube account, right? If you already have a social media account that is pretty active, you can also use the link to your social media account to register for the Amazon platform, okay? Now, once your Amazon Associates account is approved and ready to go. What you want to do is you want to log into your dashboard, which is going to be similar to this. And then you just want to go to tools and then click on Site Stripe. Okay. And then you just want to click where it says learn more. Okay, and then if you just scroll down, then you're going to see where it says display settings. So you want to make sure that this is enabled. Okay, so usually it's going to be disabled. You want to make sure that you have that enabled button ticked there. Okay, and then also make sure that you have the get link and the share buttons ticked. And once you do this, guys, you will be able to see that Site Stripe on your Amazon page the next time you log into your Amazon account. Again, this is going to be visible on the desktop. So once you're logged in, you will be able to see the Site Stripe banner at the top of your browser. Okay, so now that you have your Amazon affiliate account registered and hopefully approved by now, the next thing that you will need, of course, is a niche. So a lot of people that struggle with Amazon affiliate marketing or affiliate marketing in general, or even running the business in general, is they try to sell everything to everyone. And when you're selling everything to everyone, you are selling to absolutely nobody. And especially if you're just a beginner, just getting started right now, and you're trying to compete with large brands out here who are basically selling everything to everyone, you are not going to get any results, right? So the best way to tap into the industry and stand out from the crowd, stand out from all the big fishes out there, is to find your niche. You need to be very specific. And the best way to find a niche is to think about something that you're passionate about. Not only going very general and saying, okay, I love weight loss. If you want to do weight loss, for example, you need to be more specific. Are you going to be targeting weight loss for women over 40? Are you going to be targeting specifically people who are looking to lose weight with keto dieting? Because that's very niche, which means you can now tap into this amazing profitable industry of weight loss whilst targeting a very small segment of people, a small group of people that are obviously going to gravitate towards your brand because that's what you specialize in. So start thinking about what niche you're going to be targeting and what niche you really want to tap into. Okay, so now you know what to sell on Amazon. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your Amazon affiliate link. This is the link that you are going to be sharing out there on your socials, on your blogs, whatever platforms you plan on promoting your product. You are going to be sharing this Amazon affiliate link there. Let's say in this case, you want to promote a neck massager, for example, right? So I'm just going to go there. I'm going to go neck massager, right? So what you will notice here is a ton of different neck massagers here that you can promote. And if it's a product that you've already previously purchased yourself, you can actually go ahead and start recommending that product. So I recently purchased one of those neck massagers. So it's actually one of the best examples I can use right now because it's something I've recently purchased because I was experiencing a little bit of neck and back pain, right? So again, benefits of the product, right? I purchased this product because I had, a bit of back pain. So I needed something for pain relief, and it's just been amazing. Now, when you're looking for a product to promote, guys, you want to go for something that has a lot of reviews. I'm talking positive reviews. Okay. Now, here's a quick tip when looking for products to promote. You want to make sure that you are going for products that have a ton of positive reviews. The reason for this is because when you go out there and you start promoting these products, people are going to come on Amazon, they're going to check out the reviews. And if there's a ton of negative reviews, nobody wants to buy that product, right? So a product like this one, for example, has over 6,000 reviews, which means it's actually, quite a hot selling product right now. So you can see right here is about 4.3, which is not bad for Amazon given the number of ratings here and how quickly this product is being sold as well. So there's a ton of positive reviews. So this is definitely a product that I will go ahead and promote because it already has a ton of, positive reviews that indicates the product is good quality. It's something that people will obviously be interested in. So when people come here, looking at the reviews, looking at all those testimonials and things of that nature, they are going to be more likely to buy the product because it already has a ton of amazing reviews. That's great social proof right there that is going to make it very easy for you to sell that product. Okay, so what you want to do, guys, if you wanted to promote this product is you just want to go again to the top of that page, right? Again, do this on a desktop, right? And then where it says get link, you want to click there, guys, right? And then that's going to create this link. Now that's a direct affiliate link to that product, right? So if I went ahead and I shared this on my social media, put this in the link in my bio, and somebody went to the link in my bio and clicked on that link and they came to purchase this product, I'm going to earn a commission. And the beauty about Amazon is the fact that if somebody came via my link to this product and they went on to buy other products within a 24-hour window, I can earn commissions on all the other products that they've decided to go ahead and purchase. So if they came here and they decided, no, you know what? I want to buy this one instead, or I want to buy this one instead, or I want to buy something else unrelated to a massager, right? Or even a massage chair. Guess what? I'm going to earn those commissions within a 24-hour period because my affiliate link is already cookied to their browser. Make sense? So this is the beauty about the strategy, is the fact that you may end up making more money, right? Beyond just promoting the initial product that you were sending people to. So now that we have some amazing products that we are going to be promoting, the next thing, of course, that we want to do is we want to start creating content on social media. So to start creating that marketing content, you want to go to Canva, and I'm going to go there and I'm going to do Instagram Reels, because what we are going to be doing is creating short form video. And this Instagram Reel template can be used on Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts, and literally any platform that accepts short form video. Okay, so what we are going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be creating content around the benefits of that product. So what are the benefits of a neck massager? So we know a neck massager can help with pain relief, it can help with stress relief, better quality of sleep, right? So those are some amazing problems that, you know, that product can help solve, and you can actually market your product based on those problems, right? And just offering that massager as a solution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find a video, guys. Okay, so we're going to look for a video, and we're looking for a video around something that is stress relief, right? So we're going to put something like stress. We're looking for someone who's actually really stressed out, right? So she looks very stressed out. So I'm just going to get that video. I'm going to put it here, right? Okay. So remember, we're not promoting the massager directly, but we're trying to get someone's attention who could potentially need this product, right? Because we know that with this neck massager, it can actually help you reduce your stress levels, right? Very relaxing massager. If what we want to do now is we want to go to text, right? Because we want to write some content on that video, over that video, that's going to attract, in other words, it's going to hook somebody to purchase this product. Someone who's stressed out, right? And just like, yeah, I am going through a lot of stress right now. Now you're telling them, by the way, you're stressed out lately because you are missing out on this one thing. So if we go ahead and we play that video, guys, you can see feeling stressed out lately, it's probably because you are lacking this one thing, right? Look at that. That's an Instagram reel right there that is going to hook somebody, right? It's going to get someone's attention who is in dying need of stress relief. We're not telling them we're selling a neck massager. We're just tackling a problem that this product solves. And that's how you sell, guys. You sell the benefit, you sell the solution, not the product. So when somebody goes ahead and they see this reel, right, you can tell them, you know, check out the caption, or you can tell them to comment a word if they want access to that product. And if they go on in the comment section and they're asking you, how can, you know, what is this product, right? Obviously, people are going to ask questions. What is this one thing that I'm missing, right? You can then DM them your link, because on platforms like Instagram, for example, you can't really put a link in the comments. It's not going to be clickable. So the best way to do this, guys, is slide in their DMs. Follow up with them in the messenger. Because in your DMs, you can now send them the link, which is your affiliate link that we previously got, right? You want to send them to that link to purchase that massager. They already know Amazon. They already trust Amazon. It's not some alien website, you know, and there's a ton of reviews, guys, to back up the fact that this product is amazing. It just makes it very easy for you to convert someone who's already going through that problem, right? Because people are going through stress, but they don't even know that this is what they need to get rid of that stress. All you want to do, guys, is just consistently push out as much value-based content around the product that you're promoting as possible, okay? And when you start doing this, guys, you're going to start building yourself as an authority. People will start, you know, you will start growing your audience, growing your following. It's all about just showing up consistently and doing this thing consistently. And in no time, you are going to start making money, guys. Like, this is a business that you can start for free. Like, there's nothing that I've shown you guys here that you need to pay for. So you have access to all the tools and resources, and it's entirely up to you how you choose to go ahead and implement this free information, guys. Okay, now I know exactly what you're thinking. Now, this all sounds good. This is a great way to make money online, but how do you go on to market your business, to get customers, to get traffic, and ultimately generate sales in your business? Having your online business ready to go is amazing, but one of the biggest issues that entrepreneurs face is marketing your business, driving traffic, getting those leads and sales to their business. Now, if you need more in-depth help marketing your business, driving traffic, and getting sales to your business, I've actually created a weekly marketing system where I literally share with you guys weekly marketing tips and strategies to help you drive sales. I'm talking about all my secret nuggets, guys, more in depth, that can help you generate endless leads, endless customers, and endless sales to your business. This is a weekly marketing system that runs for an entire year, and you can join anytime, guys. And here's the best part: you can get started today for just $1 for your first month, okay? $1 for a month. That's 4 weeks of marketing strategies that can help you get customers and sales to your business. So if you guys are interested in getting more customers, getting more sales, and making that money, then I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can get started today for just $1, like I said, and that grants you access to weekly marketing strategies every single week for an entire year, for as long as you remain a member, of course. So I'm going to leave the dates below this video if you're interested, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.